Here's a new trend you need to know about. These videos have recently started pulling in millions of views, and surprisingly, not many creators are making them yet. That means there's still a chance to get in early before the trend becomes overcrowded and much harder to stand out in. In this video, I'll show you the exact method I created so you can start making these videos quickly, and make sure you stay until the end, because I'll also reveal one extra trick that could help your videos get even more views. So, let's get started. First, head to our website, open the GPT library, and search for the model called Handcraft Designs. Select it and start a new chat. You'll see two options. You can either create a design from scratch or start with a reference image. Let's begin from scratch. The GPT will give you 10 different types of designs you can create for this niche. We'll choose an animal because these designs have already gained millions of views on social media. For this example, we're going to create the head of a lion. The GPT will then generate both an image prompt and a video prompt for you. Copy the image prompt, and then on OpenArt use GPT Image 2 to create the video reference image. Now paste in the prompt, apply the settings shown on screen, and start generating. Once it's finished, you'll get a satisfying DIY-style time-lapse of a handcrafted lion's head entirely made from pieces of wood. For the next step, we're going to turn this image into a video using Seedance 2. Drag the generated image into the reference image section, then return to the Handcraft Designs GPT, copy the video prompt, and paste it into Seedance. Make sure you tag the uploaded reference image inside the prompt. This is important because it tells the model which design it needs to recreate. For the settings, a 9:16 aspect ratio, 720p resolution, and a duration of 10 seconds work well. Once everything is ready, start generating the video. And here is the final result. We can now see a satisfying time-lapse showing the lion design being handcrafted from scratch, with each wooden piece placed into position until the full design is complete. Here are a few more examples of what you can create using the same workflow. For the second method, you can start directly from a reference image. Simply upload any logo, emblem, animal, or design you want to transform. For this example, we'll use the Argentina national football team emblem. Since the World Cup is happening, football-related designs like this could have strong viral potential. Upload the emblem and let the GPT create the image and video prompts for you. Once the prompts are ready, repeat the same process as before. Copy the image prompt, return to GPT Image 2, upload the Argentina emblem as the reference, paste in the prompt, and generate the image. This gives us the same handcrafted wooden style as the lion, but now it recreates the recognizable shape and details of the Argentina emblem. It looks great, so let's turn this one into a video as well. Upload the generated image to Seedance 2, paste in the video prompt, tag the reference image, use the same settings, and start generating. And here is the result, a satisfying handcrafted time-lapse showing the Argentina national team emblem being built from wooden materials. Here are a few more examples of what is possible. That's it. You can find all the tools, GPTs, prompts, and links used in this video in the description below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and start creating these videos before the trend becomes oversaturated. See you in the next video.